Yeah, take cover, Scoop. Everybody ready for shelter. It's raining in the desert. It's raining in the desert, man. They just shut down our fishing.
I know
It started raining. Cats and dogs on. Look at those.
I gotta go take my pole.
Man, it's raining cats and dogs in the desert. Man, they done ran off the fish, Scoop. The rain done ran off the fish.
No rain.
Man, we done got caught in a storm in the desert. Caught in a rainstorm in the desert.
We should have left early.
Man, we probably had like 2-3 more fish to catch.
We should have left early. I already knew this.
It is storming. You smart people done took the cover. We on live. Wow. Scoop flagged me in like, come on, Dad, it's finna get real. Where your brothers at? They still trying to thug it out. Excuse me. I can't even go out there. I can't even go out there with my phone. Excuse me.
My feet is very soaking wet.
Cold situation.
I know we should have left early. If we left early,
Raider, Raider, Raider!
we would never left.
Raider, Raider! Whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa!
We'd never did it.
Raining in the desert. It's still a beautiful day to remember. Still a beautiful day to remember. What's going on, Scoop?
It's still summertime, but it's still raining somehow. And we should have left early.
So it's raining in the summer in the desert?
Yeah.
Raining in the summer in the desert. All right. Miss Carmel started raining on us. We was nabbing them. We had them, and we was nabbing them, and started raining on us. It's all good though. All the fishermen can't do nothing but laugh about that. Hey, Uncle Debo, how many times we done went fishing and it started raining on us? And we had to stay out there. That's a long Wayville hike back. Long Mangum hike.
Oh, yeah, bro. My foot is soaking.
I'm sorry. Yeah. Raider, Raider! Raider, Raider! All right. Just checking. Everybody bring it in. Go and get out the water. Go and get out of there. Just stop it. One thing about the desert, it ain't gonna rain for long. The sun might pop out on us.
I hope it does. Hurry up, please. I hope it does.
Y'all drenched. Y'all tried to tough it out when it was sprinkling, huh? Yeah, I went on, ducked off for cover before my feet got wet. I see Scoop. I come over here, Scoop flagging me in. Scoop was the first person on it. He was like, man, you were going out like that. Good day. How many fish you think we got?
At least 30.
This is definitely a Camp Seals blooper, right? This is Camp Seals fishing blooper. Y'all was laughing at me bringing my jacket. I was on to something. Don't go fishing without a hoodie. Well, it is what it is. Hoping you light it up. We might cast back out. Otherwise, we're over and out. Camp Seals fishing. Always a pleasure. Thanks for tuning in. Adventures of Camp Seals. The Adventures of Camp Seals. Camp Seals Adventures.
Oh, I can't feel my
What you about to do, Sire? I know what I can do, though. Hello. One time. Woo. God is good. Stayed down, came up, God made a way. When God make a way, you gotta find a way. Hello. Oh, me. Scoop.
Wow.
When God make a way, you gotta find a way.
Is it going to start
The
raining?
message for the way.
It's literally raining. Oh my god. That's disgusting. At this point, I don't even care about the phone. Bro, what if our bucket is overflowing?
Oh, you better go get it. Go bring the bucket in. Don't lose the fish.
Go get it.
Don't lose the fish we got. Both of y'all go get it. Go help you, Melton. Go ahead. Both of y'all go get it.
Oh.
Hurry up before we lose our fish. That was stink, right? You drenched. You waited too late to come get under the cover. Scoop was over there flagging me in. He was like, I said, Scoop, you sure know what to do.
As soon as rain is not rain, I just dunked in there.
Right. That was smart.
Is it going to tilt?
All right, we still got it.
That's a dead bluegill right there.
Now somebody was cheating the game, trying to catch them a cat with the back. They was trying to throw the little one and get the big.
Yeah, look.
I know. Somebody used it as bait. Don't get caught with that. Get it away from us. Whatever you do. Huh?
Let's go with the 50. Oh, let's go with the 50 cards.
Huh?
Let's go with the 50 cards.
They're right there.
Hopefully I have something
Wet.
big on that bowl. Yes, it's soaking wet.
We all right. Stayed down, came up, God made a way.
God, I thought you said it was the desert. It's not the rain.
One thing about it, the rain will not last forever in the desert. Son, something going. Stayed down, came up, God made a way.
No, it's pause it for a second, like, nah, never mind.
Well, Adventures of Cap Seals. Wait for the rain to stop. The Adventures of Cap Seals.
No, look at all.
Y'all want to shot the live out or what? What's going on? Fearless. Talk about it. Fearless. Talk about it. You the fishing guy. Talk about it, man. Just rained on us, though, huh? Scoop. What's the truth, man?
Anybody wearing shorts? Anybody wearing... Oh, I feel bad.
Oh, why y'all wearing sweats?
What is he doing?
Why you bringing a hoodie? I told you. I done got caught slipping fishing before. This ain't my first rodeo. Well, we over and out. think it's time to tap out. Blessings in abundance. Camp Seals.